So the first thing we're going to do is get the SIM card tray out. It's just like standard SIM card removal tool. It's in our iFixit. It's in the back of the screwdriver, so you have always with you. And you see like a small notch here in the SIM card tray. You can put the opening pick in there, and the whole back cover is clipped in, so you just slide across the phone. To release all the clips. Okay, and then you can fold it open like that. And here you can see the fingerprint reader is still connected, so we're going to go ahead and disconnect that just to make sure it doesn't get damaged in the process. And it's like this, one screw, just a standard Phillips screw. You can put it on the fix mat here, and to get out the bracket you can either use a spudger or use these helpful tweezers. Then we have to disconnect the fingerprint reader. For that, we're just going to get in here, slide it up like that. And to get the battery out, there are two ways. For inexperienced fixers, we recommend undoing all the screws from the motherboard cover and flipping the motherboard cover up to get to this connector here. The faster way, but which takes a bit of force the first time you do it, and it's this bracket here. So this is screwed in with one screw as well. And you use the spudger to get under here and lift it up. It's been done already, so that's why it's so easy. Normally it would take some force. And then you have like the battery connection here, and you disconnect the connector, and then you can take the battery out. So you're
this is inside from the beginning. This one is inside from the beginning.
Yeah, the thing is, so that's how it looks like when it's like in mint condition. It's been opened a few times, so that's why it's not as perfect as there. So you would take these two, basically they're glued on with like a light adhesive, and you would take them out. And the green pull tab is to remove the battery. So you would wrap this up and gently get it out like this. And then if you have a new battery, you would take the foil out, because like the new battery comes with this foil already in there, and there's like an adhesive down here for the foil. So you slide the new battery in, and you do the whole thing in reverse, so you reconnect it.
3 minutes until here. 3 minutes until
I mean,
here.
I can do
and after that, more 3 to put the battery back.
Yeah, I mean, for people doing it the first time, it's more like 10 to 15 maybe.
And for the display?
For the display, it's a bit more involved. As you can see here, that's the screen is like an assembly, so it's a screen plus the frame. So you have to transfer a few components over. You can do it a few experiments in like half an hour.
This one is for the screen, I think?
No, that's like, this is our standard Android fix.
Yes, this too.
Yeah, but you don't need the suction handle for this repair. So there's no heating involved, because the replacement part you get is like already the frame and the screen, so you don't have to get the screen out. So it's just transferring parts over. You don't actually need the suction handle for any repairs in this device.
I understand.
Yeah, and so put the bracket back on, then we can screw it down again.
Okay, it's something you add on top of that display?
Yeah. Yeah, it would just be a bundle in the shopping cart.
Right.
How often is supposed one person to change his battery? How often it happens? In 5 years, one time?
Well, most of the time. So, like 2 years after starting using the phone, most batteries show their age. So, if they have like 2 years after so 2 years of usage, like you're down to like 80% of the capacity, and you will notice.
So I think the lifetime for one battery is 5 years. Maybe it's on the fifth year it's ruined.
Well, I mean, it depends on your usage. If you're a heavy user, like you will notice it after like 2 years at least. It will still hold a charge, but it will be hard to get through the day. Yeah, and then you just pop it back on. Like this. Put the SIM card tray in, and almost as good as new.
Perfect. Thank you very much.